Model, 60-plate Volkswagen Crafter 35 Blue 2.5 Tdi 109 Luton box van starts runs DPF been stolen no VAT bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 348970. Engine, 2461 cc eb. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. DPF has been stolen, definitely worth repairing, straight, well-maintained Luton box. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows, Luton box van. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.